Hello everyone. Today's our topic will be simultaneous equilibrium in case of ionic equilibrium chapter, right? So yeah, ionic equilibrium. We have to do a topic over there which names is simultaneous equilibrium. Now we will understand simultaneous equilibrium with the help of a particular question. Let's say the question is calculate the pH of a solution containing 0.1 molar HA, which is a weak acid, and HB, which is again a weak acid. Concentration again 0.1 molar. It is given that Ka is equal to 10 raised to power minus 5, that is Ka of HA, that is Ka1, and Ka2, that is Ka of HB, is given to us as, let's say, 2 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Now we have to calculate the pH of a solution containing these two weak acids, and Ka for HA is given to us as 10 to the minus 5, for HB is given to us as 2 into 10 to the minus 5. Now understand one thing, what exactly happened. Write down the equilibrium first. HA will decompose to give H plus and A minus. At time t is equal to 0, the concentration given to us as 0.1. The equilibrium constant is 10 to the minus 5. Another acid is HB. Now again it will decompose to give H plus B minus. Now it is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 5 dissociation constant. Again at time t is equal to 0, the concentration is 0.1 molar. We know that at time t is equal to equilibrium, it will be 0.1 minus 0.1 alpha 1. Let's say alpha 1 is the degree of dissociation of this above equilibrium. Will give me 0.1 alpha 1 and 0.1 alpha 1. At time t is equal to equilibrium, for this second equilibrium reaction, what we will do? 0.1 minus 0.1 alpha 2 will give me 0.1 alpha 2 and 0.1 alpha 2. Now understand that according to common ion effect, if anything which is common over here, what we will do, we will simply add it, right? So 0.1 alpha 1, 0.1 alpha 2. So I simply add it, 0.1 alpha 2. It will become 0.1 alpha 1. So this is known as adjustment of variables, whereby I got the concentration of H plus as 0.1 alpha 1 plus 0.1 alpha 2. The concentration of A minus at equilibrium will be 0.1 alpha 1. The concentration of H plus, again the same thing, and B minus at equilibrium is 0.1 alpha 2. Now understand that as equilibrium constant is negligible, right? So I can say that 0.1 minus 0.1 alpha 1 is approximately 0.1. 0.1 minus 0.1 alpha 2 is approximately 0.1. As we know that Ka is very less, so 0.1 minus 0.1 alpha 1 is approximately 0.1. 0.1 minus 0.1 alpha 2 will be approximately 0.1. Getting it? Now understand one thing here. Now certain students get some issues that when to neglect alpha, when not to neglect alpha. Is very simple thing. Just for the calculation part, do one thing, calculate rough alpha. Getting it? Now rough alpha is equal to approximately under root of Ka by C. Now if I calculate the rough alpha of the first equation where Ka is 10 to the minus 5, concentration is 0.1. So I will be getting it as under root of 10 raised to power minus 5 by 0.1. That comes out to be approximately 10 raised to power minus 2. As 10 raised to power minus 2, that is 0.01, is less than equal to 0.05. So 5% error is permissible. Now understand one thing. If it is less than 5%, you can neglect it. And we very well know that after doing common ion effect, the reaction goes backward. Alpha value will further decrease. That means I can easily neglect it. Similarly, if I talk about the alpha for second reaction, that is alpha 2, that will be equal to under root of Ka by C. Again, it comes out to be approximately 0.01. Getting it? Into root 2. Getting a point? Yeah. Now understand, you can neglect alpha 1 as well as alpha 2. So it'll come like this, 0.1 and 0.1. Now the solution part here. Concentrate here. I'll get an equation 0.1 alpha 1 plus 0.1 alpha 2 into 0.1 alpha 1 divided by 0.1 is equal to 10 raised to power minus 5. Bring it over here. That I'll get it as 0.1 alpha 1 plus 0.1 alpha 2 into 0.1 alpha 1, that comes out to be 10 raised to power minus 6. This is first equation. So I've written equilibrium of first reaction. I got this equation. Similarly, write down equilibrium for second reaction. So I'll be getting it 0.1 alpha 1 plus 0.1 alpha 2 plus into 0.1 alpha 2, that comes out to be 2 into 10 raised to power minus 6. This is second reaction, the second equation. Now you do one thing, add both the things. So what I'll get, 0.1 alpha 1 plus 0.1 alpha 2 whole square is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Thereby, this is nothing but concentration of H plus whole square. Right? So according to this question, we'll get an answer that H plus concentration comes out to be under root of 3 into 10 raised to minus 6, that is root 3 into 10 raised to power minus 3. And with the help of this, we can easily calculate pH. So pH will become equal to minus of log of root 3 into 10 raised to power minus 3. That comes out to be 3 minus half log 3. So this is the pH of this overall question. Now understand, it's very important concept for JEE mains as well as advanced, because most of the time they will be asking about an equilibrium where multiple solutions are there, multiple acids will be there, multiple bases will be there, and this is the way how to solve it, and you should know how to adjust the variables. This is a very important thing, and hope you would have understood all the solution of this particular problem. Right? We'll come back with a new video of another concept. Right? Till then, thank you.